Hello and welcome back, folks. These steamed beef and orange meatballs, or Ngao Yuk, are a staple of any dim sum cart. It's also one of the easiest dim sum dishes to make at home. Here's how to make them. Soak a piece of dried tangerine peel for 20 minutes, then chop finely. Into a food processor, add in 400 grams of ground beef and 60 grams of cooked pork fat. Also add in the tangerine peel and blend to a smooth paste. Place the mixture into a bowl and squeeze in the juice from a piece of ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, the white from a medium egg, 120 milliliters of cornflour paste, 1 chopped spring onion. Then season with some salt and white pepper. Mix thoroughly, but also slap the beef mixture against the side of the bowl. This will help it to develop a bouncy texture. Then cover it in cling film and refrigerate for 1 hour. To make the beef balls, lightly coat your hands in some oil and then form the shapes. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're cooked. Serve with some chili oil or your favorite condiment.